48, 99, 66. ID?
Yeah, family. So we're actually at another estate, just a few minutes from where we left.
Actually, like 2 minutes.
Like 2 minutes away. So we're gonna see what it's offer right now. We're going to the office and see.
And all these places are secure.
Yeah, all these places are secure. And so we're looking for what, a 4-bedroom.
Yeah.
4-bedroom townhouse for our USA sister.
What I like about that other one, it's a 4-bedroom, but it's like a 6 or 7
Yeah, it has so much space.
That's so much space. And then I love the fact that even when you're with your kids, like with the
yeah. Yeah, family. So this is it. They have a pool, clubhouse, the gym right there and stuff. People at the gym and this one. Yeah. So the roundabout. Where's the roundabout?
Offshore Village. Alright, take it from there.
Offshore Village.
And then I don't know. Oh, that's the roundabout. Oh, we should have gone down. Oh, Villa 89. I think we should have gone down. Anyway, let's go and turn somewhere there, or? Oh, the houses are on this side.
It's a shore villa.
We should turn somewhere. I think it's down there.
Where?
Down where we've left. Villa 89, number 89. Number 89 is not here, yeah.
Okay, Villa 89.
You get, yeah.
And I'm actually another phase here.
Yeah, those are the houses. But what I dislike with these ones a little is the and open, like you understand what I mean?
So as you can see, guys, they have other house building coming up.
Even love, you get what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
And it's not as modern as that one. Yani, okay, this is what I mean. You see there is the other parking lot. Look at like this house, eh? You see that, like there's the other parking lot. It's like you have your own space.
And with that one you don't have a lot of,
and
this one you don't have a lot of backyard space.
Good.
Yeah,
that's what I mean. No space, like, you know, when you want to chill outside, bask in the sun and stuff. Here you're just like next to the road. Yeah. Oh, it's up number 89. Separating you with your neighbor is like a small thing.
Yeah, just like
so. Okay, they're not bad, but if I were to choose, I'll go for the other one. Oh, funny, we are lost. Number 89. It's like we are going down. It's like we are going to look for it. Make sure you don't crash.
What you say about the thing?
What?
What you said about it? What the lady tell us to go?
89. I don't know whether I should cut it first. We look for the place.
No, see you far on it. Can't last inside it. You have your basketball court to dunk.
I don't think I'll want these houses. Aren't they? No, even that day when we came, I was like, it's not worth the price for me. Let me ask him.
Alright, family, so let's go. We actually heading to the show house.
Jean-Claude,
What if
you've missed out the show house again because you're just driving through?
Yeah,
See, you've reached the end.
It says 80, what?
Oh, there. Alright, we will go there. You see it?
Was it?
Oh, and go there where you can see
It was
people.
80 how much?
89. Oh, here.
Okay, I know this guy. This is the guy.
I don't know whether I should pause or.
Yeah, you can pause.
It's 5-star paradise, right? You have 3-4 bedroom. How much is it for rent? Oh, okay. What's the price for buying? Three bedroom, 43.9.
Okay. Tell them what them say. Tell them, yeah.
5 bedroom, 70 million.
70 million. That's like 400,000 US.
Yeah, and 4 bedroom. I was told how much. They're ranging between 43 and 53 million.
Okay.
Yes. He was saying something about superior and I don't know what. So I think one is smaller than the other one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there's nothing to rent, you say, right?
No. There's nothing to rent.
All right, family.
But what we can explain to people is that when these developers do their thing, there are others who remain some units for rent, and others they wait for somebody to like purchase, and then they can give it to the company for them to rent it out for them. So they don't like majorly do rentals.
All right, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let's go.
You see most people there?
Yeah, family. Sorry, sweetie.
Okay.
Yeah, family. So, in this estate, they say they don't have anything for rent. Everything is for sale. So, if you like and you want something to buy, we can actually arrange that for you too. So, let's go. We just actually, this is what our sister said she wants anyway. So, the first one, I can have a feeling she's gonna take it, but let's go. We also have in our estate too, so we can show her that one, and then another place we can even show her that one. So I hope you like, share, and comment on this video, family. This is Karura from Jam Tours Africa family. We are out. One love. God bless. And let us know if you're coming to Africa family. We want to take care of you and make sure you don't get scammed. You know what I mean? So link up with Jam Tours, and you'll be safe and secure when you come to Africa. You won't have a bad experience. Trust me.
Take good care of you.
Yeah. Anything, Miss Jam Tours? Anything you have to say?
Yeah, we'll make sure we take good care of them.
Yeah.
Because they are our fellow brothers and sisters.
Yes. And you're coming back to Alkaline, the home of black and brown people. Alright, family. So we are out. One love. God bless. Yeah, family. So we're in an estate. And this estate is called what?
Do you have 4 bedrooms? Good for how much?
Miss Jam Tours on the wheel and steel.
So today you're at the office? Leo uko kwa office? Okay, so I can come. Okay, sawa. Thank you. Okay, I'll come. Okay.
Sweetie.
Get there, you need to wind down.
Yeah. Yeah, family. Peace and love, African family.
Next to Service International, right?
Yeah, there's an international school is right there. And we have another estate family, and you know we're gonna check on this to see if there's any for rent inside. Yes, so let's go. Ineza. Alright fam, so we're in an estate called Ineza. We'll speak to that guy in the reflector there. And these are the house family. I don't know why they make them like this. Like it's like a like a container or something. I just don't like how it look, but it just look like weird. Guy.
Yes, good, yes.
Hello. You are part of the office?
Yeah, in the office.
All right. So we are agents.
The agents.
Yes. We want to bring customers to you. How do you go about it? You have 4 bedrooms, by the way, for a start.
Yeah,
Okay. How much are they going for?
35.
Like for rent?
For rent?
Uh-huh.
No, I haven't known the rent. You know, we're yet to hand over. This space is fully rented out.
Okay.
We're yet to rent. We are yet to hand over phase 2. Subsequently, I can't tell you the
rent.
exact rent now. And I think I've seen you.
Oh,
Have you been here
really?
before?
No, it's first time.
No. You must be confusing me.
So, okay. So, I can't quantify what but I know it's going to be higher, slightly higher than what you are renting in this phase. This is phase 1, rented out. Phase 2 is from what's the road or something.
Yeah.
Hazard.
Yeah.
Going there.
Okay.
That's phase 2. That's what you're waiting now to hand over.
Ah.
Oh, to rent. When that complete?
It's complete.
Oh.
Fully sold out.
Uh-huh.
Oh, but you're waiting for the owner now to say they want the rent.
Yes.
Okay. I haven't heard that yet.
How much are these ones paying? The ones that I
So
said?
they're paying those
Just to approximate.
Good. So those who are paying in shillings, it was 200,000.
20,000.
There's a service fee of 15,000. At the same time, we had some people who are renting in dollars.
Or in dollars, okay.
Yeah, it's been rented at 1,600 USD.
1600 USD. Okay. Yeah.
So I believe maybe in another 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Oh yeah, about 3 weeks.
Mhm.
At the end of this month, beginning I should have more concrete.
Okay. What we're gonna do? We're gonna take your number,
Take your number.
and because we have a lot of foreign clients coming in,
Yeah.
and this is why we want these type of, you know,
We brought
Furnished or unfurnished?
unfurnished.
What are they comfortable paying you?
Like 200. Well, we have a client want to pay 200,000 Kenyan.
Not in
Kenyan.
dollars.
Well, they can play in dollars too, but you know what I mean.
We
Dollars.
to work with Kenyan shillings for now, so
Okay.
yeah. But once we take your number, of course, we'll hear
Well, yeah,
the terms and stuff like that.
For sure.
We've brought so many customers,
Where?
but
Yeah, in 4 ways.
at 4 ways, at 5-star,
And this one, right?
Edenvale,
This one is the one that we went was.
5-star,
What about the first one?
Paradise. What is this? Iguta Paradise.
Oh, that's the name of it.
Yeah.
Kabogo.
Yeah. Kabogo, who is that?
How much is it renting those?
370.
Yeah.
Why don't you bring me that client?
I should have, but you know, we just this place was on construction some way time.
Yeah.
So now we decided let's go and see whether
You guys
we're done or
finish. Yeah.
something.
It's sold out, fully sold out, but just you're waiting for the handover
Okay.
immediately. That's the people who want to be renting.
Yeah.
What's your name, please?
Can.
Okay. All right, Ken. I'll come back. So you guys have a show house ready? Not yet.
Well, for the 4 is unfurnished, we sold our shows, but you're preparing now in phase 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
So we'll come once you. I can call you in like a month's time or so.
Yeah, end of the month.
Okay.
Let's take it down of this one.
All right. Thank you so much, Ken.
All right, Ken. Thank
I'm
you.
Mary. He's Romesh.
Mary?
Ramesh.
Yes. Where are you from, Ramesh?
Jamaica.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You should be an athlete, man. What do you mean?
Yeah. We know Jamaicans has many talents.
Oh.
We have Chris Gailey, cricketer. We have Marcus Garvey, the Pan-Africanist. We have Bob Marley, the reggae revolutionary. So Jamaica is like so many people. I am here. inviting our African brothers to come back. So Jamaica is just, everybody's talented in their own way.
I see.
Yeah. That's how it is.
Real estate.
Yeah. So what I'm doing now, a lot of persons want to come back to Africa, to build and invest,
This is what they want.
and this is what they
Imagine
want.
the
So
number of customers they
yeah.
have.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. So you know what I mean.
Yeah.
We have another apartment that we actually customers actually bought it out. Loftel and Ruaka there.
Which one?
It's Loftel. It's some Chinese guy. Who's the developer of this guy? Is it local?
Yes.
He's a
Local. Local.
Okay, it's a lady.
Oh, it's okay.
Lofter is on in Two River.
Yeah, Two Rivers. Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
So we have a lot of people who bought for investment, like Airbnb and stuff. But other people want a home. So this is a place. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Ken. We'll talk.
You have a nice day.
All
And
right.
you put the flag for the Jamaica.
Yeah.
I've just seen it.
Yes.
All right.
All right, family. So this is what the house look like. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom. You guys want a 5-bedroom, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 5-bedroom. All right, family. So in 1 month's time, we can actually come back and we can get more information on this. They're actually building the other phase, and you'll be able to know more about that, family. So, Speed, what we're doing, we're going to pick up our sister. It's almost 2, right? It's 2, so we'll go and pick up our sister now, and then bring her to this one, and then if she crying for this one is on the higher side, just take her to Edinburgh, sweetie, and then it's not time to cry yet. You have to, if you know, you know. But this is Jam Tours Africa, and we are here building and growing.
But what I like about these, it's like in the Runda vicinity. I'm not saying Edenville is not. It's also posh, like very nice and stuff. Right? Anyway, let's cut it at that.
Yeah, let's cut it at that, family, and let's see.
Take it
So
from there.
yeah, so let's go. And this, let's go. So this is another phase coming up. So if you're watching this and you have you have your 300,000 USD to buy a home in Kenya, and you have money to build your business, and you have a high-paying job in the US, and you want to just run away, you can come here, family. Luxury is here, and this is what we're trying to do.
These numbers in a way, I'll remember them.
All right, family, let's go. Ankeru, Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment on the video. We are out.